Yo, what's good, boys? Yeah, it's your boy Game Julo once again. And yeah, today I want to teach you how to link any of your socials, maybe Apple Music, your Spotify, Discord, to your PlayStation. Okay, so stay tuned while I guide you through. So first, all you need to do once you are on your main screen, you just go straight to settings. You click on settings, then it brings you down to the settings page, and then you navigate your way down to where it says, let me see, users and account. And then from users and account, you scroll down all the way to linked services. And right here, you see I already linked practically most of my socials. So, but I would use the Discord as an example. So you just click on Discord, for instance, then it shows you this page, and then you scroll down, you see where it says link. You click on link, and then it tells you, I mean, some privacy stuff, and then you just click on accept and continue, and then it's gonna display to you a barcode, or you would see on the other side, which is the second option. So you can use the code. You enter the code. Yeah. So, but for the uh barcode option, so all you just need to do is, if you have a phone that can scan a barcode, you just tune into your camera, then you just place it right on the front of the barcode, and then it's gonna display a link immediately. Then you tap on the link, and then once you tap on the link, it's gonna direct you straight to your PlayStation, and then it tells you to authorize on the PlayStation. So you just click on authorize, and boom, that's it. So after all that, you see it's gonna reload automatically, and that will be all. So if this tutorial is very much helpful to you, feel free to share it with your friends, family, loved ones, and also don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, let me know what other video you would like me to do in the comment section. Thank you, and do enjoy the day.